morning, students. In the last class we are discussing about equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. Chords equal idre ಆ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ ದ ಯೆಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ಡ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ subtend equal angles at the center. Today we will solve the problems based on this theorem. In the exercise 12.2, first question, two circles are congruent. Prove that equal chords of congruent circles subtend equal angles at their centers. Here this one we need to prove that equal chords of congruent circles subtend equal angles at the centers. First, equal chords of congruent circle. Congruent circles andre the two circles which are having the same radius but different center. Center different irutte, radius same irutte. ಆ circles na ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, congruent circles. That is, congruent circles means two circles having same radius but different centers are called as the congruent circles. Here we have to prove congruent circles subtend equal angles at their center. ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಕಾರ್ಡಿಂದ ಆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್? ಟೂ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ O and O dash and radii R which have the chords AB and CD. Two circles are there having the center O and O dash, and AB and CD are the two chords which are equal. AB is equal to CD. What we need to prove? Angle AOB is equal to angle CO dash D. That one we need to prove. For that here we are considering the two triangles. In triangle AOB and triangle CO dash D, here we are having AB is equal to CD. AB ಏನಿದೆ, CD ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Next, OA is equal to O dash C, radii of the congruent circles, that is same. OB is equal to O dash D, that is also the same. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD, that is CO dash D. This is because of SSS congruency criteria. That is, if all the sides of two triangles are equal, then those two triangles are congruent to each other, and therefore angle AOB is equal to angle CO dash D. This is because of CPCT. CPCT means congruent property of congruent triangles. Next, prove that if chords of congruent circles subtend equal angles at their center, then the chords are equal. ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ? ಇನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದ chords are equal, the subtended angle at the center is equal. That one we had proved. But in this problem the reverse of that one we had to prove. ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅದರಿಂದ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ನ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಇಫ್ ದ chords ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಸಬ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್, ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ AOB ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ CO dash D ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವೇನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ AB ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು CD ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್? ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟೂ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸೆಂಟರ್ O and O dash. Two circles we are taking, that is O and O dash having the same radius, and AB and CD are the chords. AB and CD are the chords. And then what they had given, ಅವರು ಇನ್ನ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? subtend equal angles at their center ಅಂದ್ರೆ angle AOB is equal to angle CO dash D. ಈಗ ನಾವೇನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? chords are equal ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. that is AB is equal to CD. Therefore, we have to consider the two triangles AOB and CO dash D. OA is equal to CO dash. That is, each equal to the radius. OB is equal to O dash D. That is also the radius of the congruent circles. Angle AOB is equal to angle CO dash D. That is given. Therefore, two sides and one angle equal means by the SAS congruence, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle CO dash D. Therefore, AB is equal to CD. If the two triangles are congruent to each other, means then all the sides and the angles are equal, that is AB is equal to CD, that is because of CPCT, congruent property of congruent triangles. Here theorem 12.4, a line through the center that bisects the chord is perpendicular to the chord. ಏನಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? A line through the center that bisects the chord is perpendicular to the chord. That one we need to prove. Therefore here ಏನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ angle OMA is equal to angle OMB is equal to 90 degree. Perpendicular ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? Angle should be equal to 90 degree. A line through the center, one line center ಮೂಲಕ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಲೈನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಕಾರ್ಡ್ನ ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ and that should be perpendicular to the chord. ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? Perpendicular to the chord and it divide the chord into two equal parts. Therefore, here in the proof we had to consider draw OM from the center to bisect the chord AB. We are taking a circle with center O. AB is the chord. Draw the line OM from the center to bisect the chord AB. Next here again we are joining OA and OB. OA ಮತ್ತೆ OB ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. From the triangle OMA and triangle OMB. We are having two triangles. OMA one triangle, OMB another one triangle. Illi OA is equal to OB because the radii on the same circle. OM is a common to both the triangle. OM ಏನಗಿದೆ? ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ಗೂ. AM is equal to BM. ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. AM is equal to BM. Therefore, triangle OMA is congruent to triangle OMB. OMA ಏನಕ್ಕೆ congruent ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? OMB ಗೆ because of SSS congruency. All the sides are equal. Next, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದಾವೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ OMA ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? OMB ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಂಗಲ್ OMA should be equal to angle OMB. That is because of CPCT, congruent property of congruent triangles. But we are knowing that AB is a straight line. AB ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಿಲ್ಲಿ? ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು? OMA plus OMB, that is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, OMA is equal to OME is equal to 90. That therefore, OM is perpendicular to AB. OM is perpendicular to AB. Angle 90 degree ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? The line which is from the center to the chord is perpendicular to the chord. OM is perpendicular to AB. Hence the proof. Next, circle through the 3 points. Circle through the 3 points means there is one and only one circle passing through the 3 given non-collinear points. ಒಂದೇ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ. A unique circle passes through 3 vertices of a triangle ABC is called as the circumcircle. That should be considered as the circumcircle, and the center and the radius are called as the circumcenter and circumradius of the triangle. Here there is only one circle, one and only one circle andre triangle na consider ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ in the triangle we are having the 3 vertices. We had to take those 3 vertices and we had to draw the circle. Therefore, we are getting only one circle and that center is called as the circumcenter and the radius is called as the circumradius and that circle is called as the circumcircle.